I'm just sitting here, right? I'm sitting here thinking. Really sitting here and fucking thinking. How much do they pay in light? How much does 42nd Street and beyond pay in light? What's their light bill monthly? I don't even want to hear about weekly. These shits stay on for 24 hours. What the fuck? What's the light bill in this shit? The sun is beaming. What is the light bill? Like, just look around, bro. Look around, bro. All these niggas is here without a clue in the fucking world how much this light bill is, bro. That's my question, bro. What's the fucking light bill? It's popping, YouTube. It is currently, let me see. It's currently 12:42 in the city. You know me, I'm chilling like any other regular day. But I want to know, what's the light bill for New York City 42nd Street? What's the light bill, bro? Seriously, truthfully, I really want to know. How y'all living today? I'm living magnificent. It's hot as fuck today. Damn, it's hot, bro.
Hey, what's your YouTube?
What's my YouTube?
Yeah.
You want to be in it?
Nah.
Yeah, appreciate it. Shot Pesos. Where you from? From here?
No, we not from here.
No? From New York. Been living in New York my whole life. Where you come from?
Pennsylvania.
Pennsylvania? Wow, that's not too far.
Yeah, it's not too bad.
That's me, boss.
Yeah, follow you.
Appreciate it.
Yep.
Look at that. I got a subscriber just chilling. Oh shit, that's amazing. I come back outside. I'll start back with a fucking nice little vlog or some shit. Nice calm little vlog, you know what I'm saying? Start the day off right. Start the day off extremely right. A whole bunch of bots all around me. I do not believe everyone around me is real. Do not let that go over your head. Like, you got naked over here. You got naked behind me. Like, I'm in the city. You don't know what to expect. Anything can happen at any given moment. Anything. You know, and I got a story. I got a story about a time a nigga got chased home on a bike, bro. A nigga got chased home on a bike. Who is that? Is that Spider-Man? Nah, I gotta go say what up to Spider-Man. Yo, this is crazy. And the Transformer, bro. Wow, bro, look at that, bro. That's wild shit. Wild shit going on. How y'all niggas living though? For me, I haven't been on the tube in like a month, some change, bro. How y'all living? How niggas living, bro? Oh, is somebody inside of there? No, it's not. It's a machine? But you just said somebody was inside of it. I almost say hi. Oh shit. Oh nah, see? We got niggas out here wildin', bro. Nah, nigga got chased home on a bike, bro. And they was in the car. They was in the car. And I got chased home on a bike, bro. Niggas ran down on me. Niggas ran down on me completely. Shit went left. I was slipping. I don't even know how I found a bike. But just know I found a, like, I look, bro. I'm going to the store, I had Wendy's or some shit. I just needed a drink. All I needed was a drink, bro. I go to the store, I come out. I see this weird white van, bro. I see this dumbass white van. I pay that shit no mind. Going about my life chilling, thinking nothing of it. The van start moving when I start moving. So I'm like, oh hell no. So I turns the corner. The van turns the corner. So look, bro. They turn the corner. When I turned the corner, so I'm like, oh hell no, they on me. I know they on me. For a fact. They on me. Appreciate you, man. I'm like, fuck, bro. I gotta run. I run away from this van because I'm paranoid as always. I run away from the van and run into a bike. You know I'm gonna get on the bike. I got on the fucking bike. I get on the bike. Start pedaling. Niggas chasing me still. Caught them. This is why I caught them though. I went down one-way street. Lost them. Booked them. Gone. Went down a one-way street. Gone. I'm already out of here, nigga. I'm already gone, pussy. Can't chase me, bro. I missed the get out the situation. Did y'all niggas forget? I missed the get out the situation. I missed the get out the situation. No matter how I get in, I missed the get out the situation. The fuck? I missed the get out the situation. I missed to go get a bag. I missed to take your bag. I missed to get back. The fuck? I do any and everything. Literally. Nice little calm vlog just to throw up there. This is out the blue vlog. I'm not even gonna call this a BIB because I ain't really explaining too much shit, you know what I'm saying? It's a nice little vlog just to throw it up on the tube, you know what I'm saying? Ain't posting content like a month. Gotta come back outside. I want y'all to have a positive and safe day today. The world is crazy. Mad shit's going on. Yeah, I'm saying? Don't let that go over your head. Mad shit's going on. Whole lot of bullshit, whole lot of crazy shit. Y'all niggas stay safe. It is wicked outside. Wicked. Have a blessed day, Shop Pesos out here.
Every day we living life, up and down and shit, going through changes, and you know what I'm saying? Real life shit, you know.
Like that, bro. I don't even know what bike this is.
Can't control it, you said they rolling weed. Everyone say they told you and you ain't taking heed.
Know anybody out there, whoever's watching, anything you want them to know, man, before we get out of here?
For all the haters, I don't want to be friends after this. So I'm gonna get this off my chest real early.